We'll begin in a tabletop where you're pushing through the shoulders, and while rooting your left hand and your right shin, you'll attempt to lift up your right arm and your left leg. So you're feeling a squeeze between the rooted hand and knee that helps to keep the abs engaged, while the opposite hand and knee are lifted. We'll take a look at that on the other side. So now the right hand and the left knee are rooting and squeezing together to brace the abs while lifting up the other side. If you can't lift all the way, you can always just attempt getting light on one side while really keeping the squeeze on the opposite diagonal. You might observe from the front that I'm not leaning to the side. So I'm keeping that squeeze between right knee and left hand that allows me to stabilize while lifting up the opposite arm and leg. Again, once one side is down, you're squeezing that side, pushing down, and lifting up the opposite side while attempting to breathe slow but relatively shallow while bracing the abs.